Hello, I am a student. I feel a little shy to stand here.
That is okay. Please relax. How can I help you today?
I am not traveling now. I just came to ask some questions.
That is perfectly fine. What would you like to know?
I do not have enough money to travel yet, but I really want to.
I understand. Many students feel the same way.
I see my friends traveling abroad. I feel left behind.
That feeling is normal, but your time will come.
I want to prepare early, so I am not afraid in the future.
That is a very smart decision. Preparation builds confidence.
What is the first thing I should prepare?
First, make sure you have a valid passport.
I do not have a passport yet.
You can apply for one even if you are not traveling soon.
Is it expensive?
It usually costs a small fee. It is a long-term document.
How long is a passport valid?
In many countries, it is valid for 10 years.
Oh, that is good to know.
Yes, it is an important first step.
What about money? I do not have much savings.
Start small. Save a little every month.
Even a small amount helps.
Yes, saving regularly builds discipline.
How much money do people usually need?
It depends on the country and the length of stay.
So, planning is important?
Very important. Always plan your budget.
What should I include in my budget?
Flight ticket, accommodation, food, transport, and insurance.
Insurance? Is that necessary?
Travel insurance protects you in emergencies.
I did not know that.
Learning early helps you avoid expensive mistakes.
Sometimes I feel traveling is only for rich people.
Traveling is for prepared people, not only rich people.
Prepared people. I like that sentence.
Yes, preparation creates opportunity.
Can I travel cheaply?
Yes, you can look for student discounts and low-cost airlines.
Low-cost airlines? Are they safe?
Yes, they follow international safety rules.
How can I find cheap tickets?
Use comparison websites and book early.
Book early? That saves money.
Usually, yes, early booking is often cheaper.
What about accommodation?
You can choose hostels or shared rooms.
Hostels are cheaper than hotels.
Yes, they are cheaper and you can meet other travelers.
That sounds interesting.
Travel is also about learning and connection.
I worry about my English.
You are already practicing now. That is good.
But my English is very simple.
Simple English is enough for communication.
Really? Even at immigration?
Yes, clear and honest answers are most important.
So I should practice daily?
Yes, practice listening and speaking every day.
Sometimes I feel embarrassed to speak.
Mistakes are part of learning. Do not be afraid.
What if people laugh at me?
Most people respect effort. Confidence grows with practice.
That makes me feel a little better.
Good. Confidence grows step by step.
Do I need perfect grammar to travel?
No. You need clear meaning, not perfect grammar.
What questions do officers usually ask?
Purpose of visit, length of stay, and return ticket. Dot.
I can practice those answers now.
That is excellent preparation for the future.
Even if I travel next year.
Preparation today reduces fear tomorrow.
I like that idea.
Good habits start early and grow strong.
Sometimes I feel time moves too slowly.
Growth takes time, but steady effort works.
I do not want to feel left behind anymore.
Focus on your own journey, not others.
So, I should save money and improve skills.
Yes. Save money, improve English, plan carefully.
That sounds possible now.
It is possible. One small step at a time.
Maybe next year, I can travel abroad.
If you prepare well, you can.
I feel more hopeful now.
Hope is stronger when you have a plan.
Thank you for listening to me today.
You are welcome. Your dream is important.
I thought officers were always strict and serious.
We follow rules, but we also support travelers.
Today, I learned many practical things.
Knowledge reduces fear and builds power.
I will start saving money this month.
That is a strong and responsible decision.
And I will practice English every evening.
Consistency builds confidence and skill.
One day I will stand here as a traveler.
I look forward to welcoming you on that day.